This is my ever reliable laundry shop. So how to use the laundry? First, when you get in, you have to look for which ones are for the dryers and which ones for the washers. So here, these are the washers, and here on the other side is for the dryers. As you can see, it's written down here, drying. Then afterwards, you choose a number here. So you look for a machine. So I'll go with number 7, and put your clothes inside. Once you have all the clothes inside, just of course close the door, and then look for this vending machine. Then insert the money here, depending on the number. That's the corresponding price that you have to pay. So mine is number 7, so I should pay 5 euros. Okay, it's in, so just push your number, your washer number. Okay, should be good. Now it turns red, it means you have successfully paid it. Okay, and then you get soap. So here you see soap and fabric conditioner. They're both priced at 50 cents. So yeah, I'll just put 1 euro so that I can have both the fabric conditioner and the powder detergent. Okay, here, just click this. It would automatically give you the right amount. And click this. Okay, and then we put this in here. So to open this, I think we put this here in pre-wash. Then we get this one. This is where you put on the wash-in. Okay, just close it. Now we start the washer. Just choose the language, English, program selection, choose the temperature. So in my case, I'll go with maybe a minimum iron. Then click on start. Okay, so now it's starting, and it will finish in 40 minutes. Okay, so just be back of course in after 40 minutes to get your clothes, and then move it to the dryer later. So the dryer is number 70 to 22, and it would cost 3 euros for 20 minutes. Normally 20 minutes should be enough to dry your clothes. Alright, gonna go back after 40 minutes. I'll just leave my laundry bag here. I just inserted it inside here. Hopefully it does not get stolen. So next step is to put all the clothes in the dryer. Okay, just throw it here. Just close it. Number 21. So same procedure like before. So I put 3 euros since you need 3 euros to dry for 20 minutes. It's number 21. So we press number 21. Okay, so now becomes 0. And you can start here. You can choose if it's high, medium, or low, and then I'll go with medium. Just press start. And you just have to wait for 20 minutes. So that's it. So once that drying is done, you should be good. And otherwise, if it's still not dried, then you can go with 20 minutes more by adding 3 euros again in this machine. Of course, the price might be different for a different laundry areas. At least for here, those are the prices, the one I've shown earlier. And yeah, you can also have some coffee or some drinks here while waiting. But for me, I'll just sit here and wait for the time to go by. Right?